Ever traded crypto on Kraken and now you're wondering, where exactly does my money go when I withdraw? You're not alone. Finding the exact withdrawal address can sometimes feel like searching for the mythical Kraken itself, elusive and a bit confusing. But fear not, fellow crypto explorers, because today we're diving deep to uncover the truth about Kraken withdrawal addresses. Understanding where your crypto goes after you withdraw from Kraken is crucial for several reasons. Security. Knowing the exact address helps you verify that your funds are indeed sent to the correct destination. Troubleshooting. If a withdrawal ever gets delayed or encounters issues, having the correct address on hand is essential for troubleshooting with Kraken support. Record keeping. Tracking your withdrawal addresses is vital for proper crypto tax reporting and overall financial management. The elusive nature of withdrawal addresses. Now, here's the thing about Kraken withdrawal addresses, they're not always straightforward. Unlike traditional bank accounts with fixed addresses, crypto withdrawal addresses can vary depending on several factors. The cryptocurrency you're withdrawing. Each cryptocurrency has its own unique blockchain and address format. For example, Bitcoin addresses are different from Ethereum addresses. Your withdrawal method. You might withdraw to an external wallet, another exchange, or even a hardware wallet. Each method will have its own specific address requirements. Network congestion. Sometimes, networks can get congested, leading to temporary variations in withdrawal addresses. Finding your Kraken withdrawal address, a step-by-step guide. So, how do you actually find this elusive Kraken withdrawal address? Let's break it down. Log into your Kraken account. The first step is obvious, but crucial. Ensure you're logged into your Kraken account securely. Navigate to the funding section. Within your Kraken account, look for the funding section. This is usually where you manage all your deposits and withdrawals. Select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw, e.g., Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. Initiate a withdrawal request. Click on the Withdraw button. Enter the withdrawal amount. Specify the amount of cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Choose your withdrawal destination. This is where the magic happens. External wallet. If you're withdrawing to an external wallet, like MetaMask or a hardware wallet, you'll need to enter the receiving address of that wallet. Exchange. If you're withdrawing to another cryptocurrency exchange, you'll need to enter the deposit address for that specific cryptocurrency on the receiving exchange. Hardware wallet. If you're withdrawing to a hardware wallet, you'll need to connect your hardware wallet to your computer and follow the on-screen instructions to generate and enter the correct address. Important considerations. Double-check the address. Before confirming any withdrawal, double-check and triple-check the withdrawal address. Even a single misplaced character can lead to irreversible loss of funds. Network fees. Be mindful of network fees associated with cryptocurrency withdrawals. These fees can vary depending on the network and the current traffic. Withdrawal limits. Kraken may have withdrawal limits in place. Familiarize yourself with these limits to avoid any delays or issues. Security best practices. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for your Kraken account. Only withdraw to addresses that you fully trust and control. Be wary of phishing attempts and never share your Kraken credentials with anyone. What if you encounter problems with your Kraken withdrawal? Here are a few troubleshooting tips. Check the status of your withdrawal. In your Kraken account, you can usually track the status of your withdrawal request. Verify the withdrawal address. Double-check that the withdrawal address you entered is correct and belongs to the intended recipient. Contact Kraken support. If you're still facing issues, reach out to Kraken support through their official channels. Provide them with all the relevant details, including the withdrawal amount, cryptocurrency, and any error messages you're encountering. Finding your Kraken withdrawal address. Advanced techniques. For more advanced users, you might be interested in exploring some alternative methods. API access. If you're comfortable with APIs, you can use the Kraken API to programmatically retrieve withdrawal information. Kraken's mobile app. The Kraken mobile app might offer some features for managing withdrawals and viewing address information. Disclaimer. This information is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Cryptocurrency investments involve significant risks, and you should always conduct thorough research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. 1. TokensPredictions.com. TokensPredictions.com. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.